Hello and welcome back to another video. Before we begin, if you'd like to see more videos like this one, please hit the subscribe button and destroy the bell button so that you never miss an upload. Cool. So today we are going to be unboxing, so it's probably only going to be a really fast one, the Deathwatch Veterans, 5 minutes, isn't it? Kit. Yeah, so basically I've decided I was going to make do a little project of building these, painting these, possibly putting them on eBay, maybe even just keeping them, who knows. So yeah, I bought these from, I actually bought them from Akron, normally 26 quid, I believe, in English pounds. I got it for 23 pounds something or other, is that right? Who knows, something like that, around 23 squids. So that's the front of the box. So basically it shows you what you can do, some heavy weapons, a close combat weapon, and a I want to say black shield. On the back we have, again, several different versions of the chapters, because obviously Deathwatch are made up of different chapters. They're to kill the Xenos scum that plague the universe, and obviously you see a thunder hammer, a heavy thunder hammer there. We've got I'm assuming a bolt thing with power sword, Xenophare's blade with a plasma pistol. Was it combi plasma? Combi plasma. We've got the thingamy, there we go, hands at this side, the one with the flamer thing underslung, and the black shield there. So the box side has got that guy, them guys there. Yeah, that one's pretty much just says Deathwatch. There's not much special to the rims of the box. However, this might be a quick video, so I'm not going to be overly expecting too much. We will go with, which I've already opened this. I always unbox unboxings every time. I mean, rare exceptions when you probably see it when I do them. So I will take everything out. So I'll try. Come on, you son of a gun. Right, so the bases, you get, how many bases do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 32 mils. Because why would you not? I mean, how else would you build them? You get 2 sprues, which is important, I suppose, to know. And then you get this little booklet. A booklet? How much? Booklet? That's me Yorkshire coming out, right? And then some fancy dancy instructions on how to build them. And then on the back you have the stat line, which is presumably for the current one, except it's got symbols rather than words to describe them. So on the guns it shows like the picture of them rather than the name of them, so that's quite strange. Interesting. So we've already had 5 sprues and got that box. Might be quite tricky for you to see, to be fair. So we can see that on this set we've got a set of legs there, a set of legs there. So on this one sprue we've got 2 sets of legs. So on the next one there's only going to be 1. However, on this one we've got that back cloak, which I think is for the black shield guy. So we've got quite a few different types of faces, and there's the guy with a hood. Probably use him personally for the either the black shield or have him as a Dark Angels thingamy dude. And on this sprue we've got all 5 of the backpacks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, unless I find a fancier extra one. And on the front of the so they are a little bit different to normal Space Marines, but you could definitely use the weapons and such from this set there. I'm trying to think if there's anything extra special. I'm trying to show you it just whilst I'm chatting about it. 2 thunder hammers, so you could have 2 big ones if you fancied it. There's some of them that look a bit more like Space Wolf or Blood Angels, I would say. That one's more like your Space Wolf in my mind, the one with a little bit of a tash on. He would be ginger if I made him. You know, it's me, if I do make that one. So then we have, going on to this sprue, am I being dense? One moment. Oh no, yeah, there we go. That answers that question. Yes, I'm dense. That's always the answer to the question. So what have we got here? We've got 1 set of legs there, set of legs here, set of legs here. And on this one we've got power maul. We've got that thingamy with the underslung flamer dude. another power maul, so you could have like double power mauls if you fancied it. So it might not be legal as such. And then we've got loads of the the shoulder pads for your chapters at the top and at the bottom. Oh no, yeah. So you've got loads of actual chapters on the shoulder pads, and we've got 5 of the at the top here. We've got 5 of the Deathwatch specific ones. So I wonder if you could possibly, I might even attempt maybe to try and do like a recast, and I shouldn't, naughty boy, that and maybe the backpack, and see about doing them for that little bit on the top. Although to be fair, you could just literally just use the bit at the top and add that to them. Because if you can do this, the shoulder pads, then you could pop a couple of them on normal Marines and the backpacks, and you've got infinite Deathwatch as long as you've got your Space Marines. I never said that on this video, obviously, because, you know, I'm not a beast. I am. Who am I kidding? Anyway, apologies. Mine's a bit like falling away like wet cake at the minute. Oh look, yeah, you've actually got 2 storm shields. I want to say riot shields, but that's not it, is it? So that's kind of cool. And like on this one, you've got the chains from the scraped off chapter. And I heard somewhere that there was like a bit of a fluff thing where sometimes they might actually come from like chaos, like renegade chapters and stuff. So had to stop midway through there. But yes, so I believe I was saying something along the lines of the black shield. There it is. It's because this is mirrored, so I can't quite see it in exactly the same way. I like the shotguns on it. That's kind of cool. There's 2 shotguns at least on this sprue. On the other one, let me see. Bum. Yeah, there's only 2 shotguns on there. And it looks like the bolters. There's 1 bolter, 2 bolter. I don't know about the stalker patterns. I believe there's a thing. That's such a thing. I kind of like the way they've done these recently. So let me just check something. Okay, so I probably won't be making this video super long because my battery is probably about to die. Either I plug it in. I'm probably going to plug it in. Give me 2 seconds. Yes. So anyway, I like the way they've done the style of the box and these. So what's really cool, I think, is technically you don't even need to show you the sprues. I can just show you a picture of the sprues. So if you want to do like a quick screenshot, you might be able to see this a lot better than the way I do it. So what I will do is I will probably make a video, maybe, no promises, because I've been a little bit lapse on that recently, making videos. I think I might have to pause it. Apologies, keep getting disturbed. So yes, I like the way they've done the new whatchamacallit, we've already said that, and there's a representation of how they've built them. So the set itself, I'm not going to do, oh, they're the most amazing things in the world. I think it's kind of cool, and I believe, never built them, never played with them, in the most recent edition of Kill Team, I believe it is probably one of, not the most cheapest way of doing a kill team from scratch without spending any more money. You can have a full kill team from these guys. Not saying they're optimum, but if you like Space Marines or their style, you could create your own fluff around them. I suppose you could even kind of make them a bit chaosification, so you could probably do, ooh, that could be cool, do like a Chaos Deathwatch, so they're also killing Xenos, but, ooh, you could do it that way. Sorry, someone's probably already done it anyway. So I believe there is some fluff somewhere about them, about the Black Shield being like a part of like an old Chaos chapter that's maybe repenting or something like that. Or something. Is there any fluff on these? Let me see. No fluff. Let me just have a quick glance, because sometimes you get a little bit of fluff. Nope, not there, not there, not there, not there. Nope. 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 No, there isn't. How very strange. So yeah, it's like a whole thing. But there's no... zero fluff. It's interesting. I like the graphical thing is because this makes it really easy to see. There are some really hard sets to build even still to this day. Obviously the old ones are worse, but some of the warbands from Underworlds are significantly worse. I know that's really bad English. Anyway, long story short, my review on the set. If you get it for cheaper, so 26 quid, get it cheaper than that, £23 odd. Do you know what? Quick, easy done, easy paint, build them up, bada bing, bada boom, build them all separate, little bit of characteristic. If you aren't a big army painter, you hate painting loads of models, probably a decent set, if I'm honest. If you're literally looking to dip your toe and you want a bit of character in each one of them, do a little bit of research and fluff for the different chapters, build them appropriately, and you'll probably be laughing. Ha 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 ha. Anyway, I think that's going to be that bit. I kind of made this homage to Jimmy. He said about doing an unboxing. I was like, no, you did right. I probably should do it. I was just going to build them. But I had a little bit of time. Not much because I keep getting disturbed. And I thought, yeah, I'll do a video. So, hey Jimmy, this is for you. And yeah, other shout outs. If you're watching this, Adam, hello. And Emily, hello. And also Mikey, bonjour, monsieur. And I will see you at the gym, Mr. Mikey. Right, cool. Next videos, who knows? I do not know.